Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create kids shows in CapCut. So to do that, it's quite simple. I'm going to show you how to generate kids characters and voiceovers for your videos in CapCut. Basically, you just have to open up your CapCut application and open your project. Inside CapCut, select the text menu, and in the text menu you can add the prompt for your kids animation characters that you would like to use by tapping on add text. After that, your text box is going to appear right here. Then you have to select the
Hey, how
AI
are you today?
avatars option. In the AI avatars option, you have to move to the stylized section where you can see many kids characters. As you can see, there are many heroes, animals, cats, and basically you can use any of these for your animations and kids shows. Let's try one.
Hey,
This
how
is
are
a
you
test
today?
text
Are you
box.
ready to create with CapCut?
So yeah, you can just basically introduce your text and animate with any of these characters. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.